Hey buddy, today in this video we're making stir-fried chicken and red cabbage with hoisin sauce. Let's begin. We're gonna make the sauce first. We have here a half cup of water. We'll need 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. That's 1 and 2. Next we'll need 2 tablespoons of pure sesame oil. That's 1 tablespoon. And 2. We'll need 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, or you can use sherry cooking wine. 1 tablespoon. We'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. Next, we'll need a tablespoon of sugar. That's 1. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon. 2. Now we're going to take everything and stir it all up. Okay, it's nice and even. We're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to cut up the red cabbage. We'll need 4 cups of red cabbage. Remove the outer shell. And we're going to slice it up. Here we go. We sliced it all up. And we're just going to cut it in the center. There we go. And it should look something like this. We're going to put it into the cup. And that is just a little bit over 4 cups of red cabbage. We're going to put this to the side. For the other vegetables, we have 1 cup of chopped up onions, 1 cup of sliced up carrots, and some shiitake mushrooms sliced up. And we have here 1 cup, it's around 2.5 ounces. And we're gonna start cutting up the chicken first. The next thing what we're gonna do is cut up 2 chicken breasts. We're just gonna slice it up. We're going to season it with some salt and just a little bit of white pepper. We're going to make some room in the center. We're going to crack an egg, put it in the center, then mix everything all together. Make sure everything is nicely mixed in. Then we're going to add some cornstarch. We're going to add 1 tablespoon first and mix it in so that's less runny and everything is sticking together. This will help make sure that the chicken is moist and tender. It's still a little too runny, so we're going to add 1 more tablespoon. Okay, it has a nice thick consistency to it, and let's cook up the chicken. Okay, we're going to cook the chicken first. We're going to put some olive oil into the pan. And we're going to take the chicken and put it on the pan. Spread them all out. Okay, they all spread out. We're just going to let it cook for a little bit. Okay, we're going to flip them over. Okay, they're all flipped over. We're just going to let it sit for a little bit. And now we're going to stir them around a little bit. Okay, we stir-fried them for several minutes. They're nicely browned up and they're fully cooked. And we're going to pick it up. We're going to put the chicken to the side for right now. We're going to add just a little bit more cooking oil. Spread it out. And now we're going to add 1 cup of chopped up white onions. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir it all in. Okay, they look nicely browned up. We're going to add 1 cup of sliced up carrots. And next, we're going to add the 4 cups of red cabbage. Stir them around for just a little bit. Next, we're going to add the shiitake mushrooms in. Stir that in. Okay, we stirred them around for just a little bit. And now we're going to add the sauce. Stir them around just a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to cover it for 1 minute and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 1 minute. We're going to take off the cover. Now we're going to add the chicken back in. Okay, we're going to stir everything all together. Okay, we're done. We're going to turn off the heat. And now we're going to put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Stir-fried chicken and red cabbage with hoisin sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.